What's up everybody, welcome back to Big Tech Unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing the Arzopa 15.6 inch portable monitor. Now I bought this monitor on Amazon. It was for discount. It's $95.99 right now, so for a 15.6 inch display, 95 bucks isn't too bad. I am going to be using this as a third monitor for my work setup. This monitor is full HD display and it's 1080p. It's an IPS display. Let's see what it says on the back. So 15.6 portable monitor. I believe it has a mini HDMI and a USB-C. Don't mind my little paper cutting tool. But yeah, so I think it has those two ports on it. So if your computer is USB-C, like if you have a Mac or the new Windows computers, you don't need a power supply running to the monitor if you're using USB-C, because USB-C is both capable for data and power delivery, which is why I bought this monitor in the first place. I don't like too many wires roaming around near my setup. I really like a clean setup. But yeah, so my whole idea is that I'll connect one cable and it'll do the trick. So okay, so that's how the monitor comes. And for 15.6, it's pretty good, pretty decent display. I'm gonna just put that away for a second. Let's see what else they give us. Some paperwork. They give us a HDMI to mini HDMI. So this side goes into the monitor, this side goes into your computer. They give us a power adapter, and this is for if you don't use the USB-C, you're gonna have to use this to power your monitor and then use the HDMI. But if you use the USB-C to C, then you should be good with the power and display. You won't need two cables going to your portable display monitor. And this is the cable, the USB-C to USB-A cable that'll charge your that'll keep your monitor powered up while you use it with the HDMI. So we won't be needing this, all this bulk. We'll just be needing this cable. So now for the monitor. So far we haven't even unpacked it yet, but it's pretty solid. It has a good weight to it. I think this one has the case on it, like I feel the ridges. But I'll be using it without the case because my viewing angles are a little bit different on this table. So let's see. So yeah, it comes with this, I really don't think it's leather or anything like that, but it comes with this case on, and this is how the monitor looks. So we got a matte finish, IPS HDR technology, 1080p, full HD, ultra lightweight. We have Type C, HDMI, and ultra portable, which it really is. You know, it's really good. It's slim. You could see the ports there. We got the USB-Cs and the mini HDMI, and the USB-C, any one of these could be used to power the monitor, and then you could use the HDMI for display, or you could just use a singular USB-C to your computer or laptop, and that should do the trick for both power delivery and data delivery. So let's take this off. Arzopa. And let's see if we could try to take the case off, because I really don't want to use the case. Okay, so it's magnetic. So with, oh yeah, so majority of the weight is the case. So it wasn't even the monitor, just the monitor. The monitor is really, really lightweight. This is what it looks like from the back. We got a couple couple of buttons here. As you could see, we have a brightness right here, OSD, volume, and then this should be our power button. So a couple buttons here. We have a little mic here, I think it is. I'm not sure if this monitor has speakers, but looking at those tiny slots there and there, does look like it has it has speakers. So let's test this out. All right, so we have the listing here for the Arzopa monitor that we just unboxed, and I just finished setting it up. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. Very, very, very bright. There's adjustments on the side for the brightness, but as you could see, it's amazing. Especially for what I would need it for. And
why are you not investing in passive?
Okay, that's not the speakers in here in the Arzopa, but let me see if there is. Okay, yeah, there is. Very, very light though.
No, I bet.
Tastes like strawberry lemonade, but with alcohol.
Really? I'm gonna try it.
And that's what it sounds like
Doesn't that taste
on
so
full
good?
volume,
Oh my god, that's
Isn't that so
which isn't
good?
bad for a portable monitor. You know, if you're out and about, you shouldn't really need that much volume anyways if you're in a public space using a portable monitor. But the image quality, everything,
It's Sophie.
as you could see, I have 1, 2, and this would be my third display. I'm gonna be using my MacBook Pro with all 3 monitors. Yes, I have a dock. And yeah, so this is actually bigger than my 13-inch MacBook Pro screen, 15.6 inches. So this is gonna be a great third display without like it being overkill, because I really don't have too much space left with these 2 big monitors here. So this is gonna be perfect, and I'm not gonna be using it with just like this, like on with the regular case that it comes with. I'm gonna be using it with the Arzopa stand, so we have better viewing angles, and you could rotate it and tilt it, you know, whichever way you need to. But yeah, so we have speakers, full HD, 1080p, 1 wire going straight into my computer, which I'll transfer over now to a dock, and then I'll have these 2 main monitors, and this to do like the little side work that I need
Welcome to my house. Come join me for the day.
And it has decent speakers, which is amazing. So that's what you get for $95. I think it's an amazing deal. As you can see on Amazon right now, 95 bucks. So go and get yours right now. Thanks for watching, guys.